July the 31st, 2020. Guys, you're looking at Hurricane Isaias, and this is the new midnight update. And it's already kind of jumped the gun. It's already a Cat 1 hurricane, and it's barely off the Dominican Republic here. You see this? That was not supposed to happen until about 24 hours from now minimum. So we're now at a Cat 1 in the morning at 8 a.m. It will be an 80-mile-per-hour storm, 85 mile an hour tomorrow afternoon. It's supposed to stay at that speed. But I said in today's video, it had left most of the center of circulation north of the Dominican Republic. And that was going to allow it to strengthen, and it did, but it did it a lot quicker. You've got 80-mile-per-hour sustained winds now. It's moving northwest at 18 miles per hour. It's only slowed a little bit. The pressure's down to 995 millibars. Let's take a quick look at the spaghetti models. Guys, I know it's late, but I was just checking this, and before I went to bed, I wanted to put it up. Just to give you a heads up, Saturday at 8 a.m., you're already going to be experiencing hurricane force winds along the Florida coast. Actually, tomorrow night about 8 p.m., notice how close it is to shore already. Now, this just came out also, and I want you to notice two things here that's very important to me. The Navy model and the Canadian model are crisscrossing north of Tampa. Both are coming ashore just south of Miami and coming up through Florida, and then headed back out and coming into the Carolina border between North and South Carolina right there. What that means, if the Canadian model and the Navy model, the two most accurate, are correct at this point, Miami, you're going to get hit with a very strong Category 1 hurricane at the minimum. If these models are right, it's going to go up the East Coast and Nag's Head, and these will be in the way. But again, the Canadian model, guys, and the Navy model have a direct impact coming in through Miami, cutting through the northern Keys, moving north through Florida, coming back out over the ocean, and then coming back inland, going back over the ocean off the coast of Washington, D.C. Now, switch to the Gulf satellite, and we're in the infrared spectrum here. And you can see that the storm, Hurricane Isaias, guys, is in open water. You've got one island right there, but this thing is in an open path. Again, the Navy model, Canadian model, guys, has it coming in right there. It could shift. We know that the next couple of days, but we already have a hurricane on our hands. When this thing came off the coast of Africa, guys, I said if it can make it through that Saharan dust storm that we saw it fight with all the way across the Atlantic, I said if it can make it through that into the Caribbean, we're going to have trouble with a storm. And it looks like that's what's going to happen. Guys, you pay attention to it, move your scheduling up somewhat if you're in South Florida and you are not prepared. In the morning, you start getting prepared. We're watching it. You watch it. It's a heads up. Be safe.